Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: HDR toning for beach photos. Open your beach photo to enhance the sand, water, sky using HDR toning. Convert it to a smart object for re-editing. Later start by adjusting HDR toning setting. Increase strength to bring out textures, boost details to highlight waves and sand, and also lower highlights to restore sky information. Now lift shadows so water become visible. Adjust gamma to keep tones natural. Add vibrance to improve the blues and yellows. Reduce saturation slightly for realism. Now tone exposure for soft light. Mask unnecessary areas. Blend for harmony. And also compare your enhanced